In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a community on Reddit. If you've joined a subreddit that you no longer want to follow, Reddit makes it very easy to remove it from your list of communities. This can help clean up your home feed and make sure you're only seeing content that actually interests you. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it in just a few moments. To begin, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is the main page you see after signing in, where your feed, navigation menu, and communities are all available. Starting from the home dashboard is important because it gives you access to the community management tools you'll need for this process. If you're not there already, simply open Reddit and make sure you're on the main home screen. Once you're on the Reddit home dashboard, look over to the left-hand column. In that side menu, find the option labeled Manage Communities and click on it. This section is where Reddit lets you organize the communities you follow. It's especially useful if you've joined a lot of subreddits and want a quick way to review them without searching one by one. When you open Manage Communities, you should see a list of the communities connected to your account. Now find the specific community you want to leave. Next to that community, you'll see a button that says Joined. Click on that button once. As soon as you do, the label will change from Joined to Join. That change confirms that you have successfully left the community. In other words, you are no longer subscribed to that subreddit, and its posts should stop appearing in your personalized home feed unless you visit it directly. If you accidentally click it and want to rejoin, don't worry. You can simply click the join button again to subscribe back to that community. So if you ever change your mind, it's easy to reverse. And that's all it takes to leave a community on Reddit. Go to your Reddit home dashboard, open Manage Communities from the left-hand column, and click Joined next to the community you want to leave until it changes to Join. It's a quick and simple way to keep your Reddit experience organized and tailored to what you actually want to see.